Hello, my friends. I am out here in Carefree, Arizona on a trail called Blue Wash Trail. And during the summer, it's all dried up, but I got here just in time to see the trickle start on the waterfall at the end of the trail. So I am going to take you with me as I attempt to find it. Ready? Let's go! Well, I'm getting close. I found water and mud. It's that way. Let's go. It's so pretty. I made it! There's the waterfall! Yay! Let's go look. There you go. We found the waterfall at Blue Wash Trail, and it was a little more than a trickle. Thank you for following along and subscribing. Please say hello, leave me comments. I love to hear from you. If you want notifications when I put out a new video, please make sure you click on the little bell by the subscribe button, and then you'll know. when I have added to my story. This was an awesome hike. I highly recommend it. It seems fairly easy for families and kids. I saw some kids out here. I saw some elderly folks and even some horses. So I definitely recommend this hike if you're out here near Carefree, Arizona. You know what time it is. It's time to dance. Stay weird, friends.